Welcome back to my channel Manimanthan Konda. For that, today we are going to make a science experiment called heat, its uses, how is it and how is it framed, also some of its conductors. For that you will need perfume, toothpicks, a glass or a bottle which has a cap with a hole and candle. Now firstly open this cap and now spray your perfume in all the four sides. Now close it. Now you need to light it. For that I am taking matchstick. You can even use a chopstick. Yeah. Now you need to light it. Now it's lit in. Be aware and take an adult supervision. Did you see that? Now I'll show you once again. You need to do the same process. All the four sides. And then light the toothbrush. And now light it. And now 3, 2, 1. Did you see that? This is because the perfume or rubbing alcohol is made of alcohol, which is a good conductor of heat. And whereas this is just a flame, whereas the toothpicks is just a flame which contacts the molecules with the perfume. And then the heat is created which you can't see. That's why it's known as heat is a form of energy. And when you do it like this, compress it, whatever you see is an illusion of heat. This is the logic behind this mystery. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe our channel. Click here to subscribe my channel, whereas click here to see my latest video. Bye. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.